Now next important question, let y is equal to log x plus 5 minus 10x. Now differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log plus 5 d by dx of log minus d by dx of 10x. Okay. Now this becomes, now d by dx of log 4x, that is 1 upon x log 4 plus 5 times 1 upon x with log e minus secant square x. Now d by dx of log a x, this is equal to 1 upon x log a, one thing. Then second, d upon dx of log e x. Okay, base is e, is it clear? You can just write it here, it is base is e. This is equal to 1 upon x, where log e is equal to 1. And number 3, we have used d by dx of 10x. This is secant square x. Okay. Now, d by dx of y is equal to 1 upon x log 4 plus 5 upon x minus secant square x. Answer for the first part. Now second part, let y is equal to 4 e raised to power x plus 1 upon sin x plus 4 upon log x with 3. Now to this, what we can write it, y is equal to 4 e raised to power x plus cosecant x plus 4 times log base 3 x, changing for the base rule. Now differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 4 d upon dx of e raised to power x, d by dx of cosecant x plus 4 d by dx of 4 e raised to power x cosecant x cot x plus 4 times 1 upon x log 3. This is the answer. And what we have used? Here we have used d by dx of ex, that is ex, d by dx of cosecant x is negative of cosecant x cot x, and d by dx of log ax, this is equal to 1 upon x log.